Hello everyone, and welcome to the quick video tutorial on how to register your new client account on the Black Diamond portal. You'll begin by receiving an email from Herman & Cook Wealth Management titled New User Setup. Go ahead and open that email and click the button titled Set Up Account. You'll be taken to a new tab where you'll set up a few security questions to safeguard your account. Choose 3 questions with answers specific to you and will be easy to remember. Once you are done with that, click the button below that says Next. Last, you will create a password for your account. Make sure it is unique and keep track of it wherever you please. Click Next to be taken to the Terms and Conditions page, which you should read over before scrolling to the bottom and clicking Accept. Once you have accepted the terms and conditions, you will arrive at the home page of your Black Diamond client account. After setting up your account, you will receive a courtesy email stating that your account has been updated. Don't forget to check out the Black Diamond video tutorial for a complete walkthrough of Black Diamond and all of the amazing features it offers. From everyone here at Herman & Cook, we'd like to say thank you and have a great day.